The Amazon rainforest is home to some of the most amazing animals on Earth. Let's meet them. ASTER Basics. Jaguar. The jaguar is the strongest big cat in the Amazon rainforest. Guess what? It can bite straight through turtle shells. Green anaconda. The green anaconda is one of the biggest snakes on Earth. You won't believe this. It can swallow animals larger than itself. Poison dart frog. These tiny frogs glow in bright colors. Here's a jungle secret. Their colors warn predators, "Don't eat me." Amazon river dolphin. This dolphin lives only in Amazon rivers. This one's amazing. It's naturally pink and turns brighter when excited. Sloth. Sloths move very slowly and sleep most of the day. Guess what? Algae grows on their fur to help them hide. Macaw. Macaws are colorful parrots with powerful beaks. Watch this. They can crack nuts harder than rocks. Toucan. Toucans are famous for their huge, colorful beaks. Here's something cool. Their beak helps them stay cool in hot weather. Caiman. Caimans are small crocodile-like reptiles. You won't believe this. Their eyes glow at night like flashlights. Howler monkey. Howler monkeys are the loudest monkeys in the jungle. You can hear them from miles away. Capybara. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world. Guess what? They love swimming more than running. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is one of the strongest birds on Earth. Watch this. Its claws are as big as a bear's. Piranha. Piranhas have sharp teeth and strong jaws. Here's something cool. Their teeth never stop growing. Blue morpho butterfly. This butterfly flashes bright blue wings while flying. You won't believe this. When it rests, it almost disappears. Giant river otter. These playful otters live in family groups. They hold hands while sleeping. Tapir. Tapirs look like pigs with tiny trunks. Guess what? They are excellent swimmers. Kinkajou. Kinkajous are night-loving tree climbers. Here's a jungle secret. They can rotate their feet backward. Bullet ant. Bullet ants are large and powerful insects. Their sting is one of the most painful in the world. Amazon horned frog. This frog has a wide mouth and huge appetite. It eats almost anything that moves. Electric eel. Electric eels can generate electricity. This one's amazing. They can shock prey from far away. Scarlet ibis. These birds are bright red in color. Guess what? Their color comes from the food they eat. Giant anteater. Anteaters use long snouts to find insects. Here's something cool. They can eat thousands of ants in one day. Boa constrictor. Boas squeeze their prey gently but tightly. You won't believe this. They don't use venom at all. Glass frog. Glass frogs have see-through skin. This one's amazing. You can see their organs inside. Amazon kingfisher. This bird dives straight into water for fish. It hits the water like an arrow. Leafcutter ant. Leafcutter ants carry leaves bigger than themselves. Guess what? They don't eat the leaves, they grow fungus instead. Red-eyed tree frog. This frog has bright red eyes. Here's a jungle secret. The eyes scare predators away. Giant armadillo. Armadillos are covered in armor-like plates. This one's amazing. They can dig faster than humans. Spider monkey. Spider monkeys use their tails like hands. Watch this. They can hang using only their tail. Amazon milk frog. This frog secretes a milky substance. You won't believe this. It protects them from bacteria. Hoatzin. Hoatzin chicks have claws on their wings. Guess what? Baby birds climb trees like reptiles. Ocelot. Ocelots are spotted wild cats. This one's amazing. No two patterns are the same. Anhinga. Anhingas dry their wings in the sun. Watch this. They swim underwater like snakes. Pink-toed tarantula. This spider has colorful toes. It builds silk tunnels in trees. Amazonian manatee. Manatees are gentle water giants. You won't believe this. They eat plants all day long. Golden poison frog. This frog is one of the most toxic animals. Guess what? Just touching it can be dangerous. Agouti. Agoutis look like small forest rodents. They help plant new trees by burying seeds. Amazon parrot. These parrots are intelligent and social. Some can copy human sounds. Black caiman. The black caiman is the largest predator in the Amazon rivers. It can grow longer than a car. Amazonian tree boa. This snake lives high in trees. Here's something cool. Babies are born live, not from eggs. Giant centipede. This centipede is fast and venomous. This one's amazing. It can hunt bats and frogs. Amazonian tamarin. These monkeys have fluffy white mustaches. Guess what? Twins are very common for them. South American coati. Coatis are curious forest explorers. They search for food in large groups. Sungrebe. This bird walks on floating plants. Its chicks hide inside wing pockets. Amazonian poison frog. These frogs are tiny but powerful. Here's a jungle secret. Their skin warns enemies from far away. Giant water bug. This insect lives underwater. This one's amazing. It injects enzymes to liquefy its prey. Amazonian tree frog. Tree frogs cling using sticky toes. Guess what? They can walk on glass. Amazonian hawk. These birds hunt silently from above. They dive with incredible speed. Amazonian snake-necked turtle. This turtle has a long, flexible neck. It strikes prey like a snake. Amazonian catfish. These fish have long whiskers. Here's something cool. The whiskers help them find food in muddy water. Amazon fire beetle. This beetle glows in the dark. It uses light to scare predators. Now you've explored the wild Amazon rainforest. Which animal surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button, share it and subscribe to ASTER Basics for more jungle adventures.